Who's ready for Christmas? This is a gorgeous Christmas quilt set I was sent to review from Vivi Linen. So let me show you a closer look. You've got the gorgeous quilting on one side, a beautiful solid red on the back side. It's not thick. It's a really nice kind of medium weight or thin quilt. Depending on the temperature you keep your house, you could either throw this on top of your regular comforter or duvet, or just use this. The stitching and everything is really nicely done. Very soft, nice feeling. It also comes with 2 pillowcases or shams. Same as the quilt itself. We've got the quilting on one side, red on the reverse. These are envelope openings, easy to get on, and the pillow won't fall out. Made of 100% polyester, easy care, machine wash cold, tumble dry low. It is so gorgeous. I love all the different designs on here. We've got reindeer, snowy house, snowy trees, snowflakes, all kinds of plaids, Merry Christmas. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's a really nice red, but there are several shades of red, so it's gonna go with other Christmas decor. It shouldn't clash or anything. It does go really nicely with black and white. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Do note, sizing wise, this is a queen platform bed, but we have 2 mattresses stacked. So I always get king size comforters. So that fits nicely, but the king size pillows are really wide for this queen size bed. So just note that, but get whatever size you need for your bed, whether it's the same size as your frame or an extra size big, which we like to do. So we're not fighting over the blankets. You know how it is. Oh my gosh. I really, really love this. If you want to go kind of crazy, you can do that too. That's also kind of fun to have the red showing. After Christmas passes, flip it to the red side and you're good through Valentine's Day. Or honestly, year round. This red color is just stunning. It does show wrinkles more than the other side, so definitely make sure you throw it in the washer and dryer to get those out, which is what I've got to do. I just wanted to throw this on my bed as soon as it arrived. It's so pretty, but now I've got to go wash it and dry it and get these packing wrinkles out. I think we're gonna do this, and we're gonna get some coordinating little throw pillows to go with it. Here's a closer up of the red and then the quilt thickness. You see, it seems to be just 2 sides, no real filling or anything going in there. So it's a really nice, versatile blanket, coverlet, you name it. So cute for Christmas, guys. I love it, I love it, I love it. And I know you will too.